All right, I am now out of Michigan, back in Pennsylvania for good, and I've pretty much got my electronics shop put back together. Similar to what I had, but actually I have a lot more room here. I put a second bench. That's the one with the oscilloscope on it, next to the main workbench. More shelving, which should help me a lot too. Still need to get it fine-tuned, which probably won't happen until I actually start on a project, and I'll see what works and what doesn't. As far as the bench here, everything coming to the bench is on a GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, but I'll go along the test equipment at the top. Then that first box on the left is an isolation transformer, big safety factor when working on chassis from that era in the 40s and 50s. Next to that, that red box is the Variac, which is fed from the isolation transformer. That allows you to bring up the voltage gradually on a radio of unknown condition. Next to that is a VTVM, a vacuum tube voltmeter. Very important for aligning these old radios. Much more suitable than, say, a digital multimeter. Well, there's a desk lamp, overhead task lighting, and after that is my signal generator, and next to that is a signal tracer, a little hand torch. All of that stuff, or at least the three boxes in the middle, are Heathkits. They're from the same era, which is interesting because they're more suitable also for working on radios of that era. And then I have a frequency counter, which basically just keeps my signal generator honest. I use that to confirm that when I set the signal generator to a certain frequency, that's exactly what it's putting out, or I can adjust it. Then some parts bins, and that's what's up there. The bench itself, various tools I need. That blue mat is a solder mat, which I initially bought when I started out working on these things on my dining room table to protect it. Less necessary now, but I still use it. What the heck, I have it. And various tools, and have some plastics. Pretty much make about anything out of plastic if you need to fabricate something.